Hello and welcome to Capital Luxury, where we showcase the best of the best when it comes to luxury, rare, exotic, and expensive items. Today, we're gonna be talking about a topic that everyone can enjoy: luxury travel destinations on a budget. Many people think that luxury travel is only for the rich and famous, but we're here to show you that it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're gonna give you tips on how to travel in style without breaking the bank. Why travel on a budget? Now, you might be wondering why anyone would want to travel on a budget when it comes to luxury travel. The truth is that luxury travel doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, there are many affordable luxury destinations and accommodations that you can take advantage of. By traveling on a budget, you can save money and experience new destinations that you might not have been able to afford otherwise. For example, I once stayed at a luxury villa in Bali that cost only a fraction of what I would have paid in other destinations. By traveling on a budget, I was able to experience all that Bali had to offer without overspending. So, if you're looking for ways to save money on your next luxury vacation, then you've come to the right place. Top affordable luxury destinations: Bali. Now, let's talk about some of the top luxury destinations that are affordable. First up, we have Bali. Bali is a beautiful island in Indonesia that offers a mix of luxurious accommodations and affordable prices. You can stay in a private villa with a pool for as little as $100 a night and enjoy all that Bali has to offer without breaking the bank. Vietnam. Next up, we have Vietnam. Vietnam is a beautiful country that offers a rich culture, beautiful landscapes, and delicious food. You can stay in a luxurious hotel for as little as $50 a night and enjoy all the amenities that come with it. Thailand. Finally, we have Thailand. Thailand is known for its beautiful beaches, delicious food, and affordable luxury accommodations. You can stay in a luxurious resort for as little as $100 a night and enjoy all the activities and amenities that come with it. But how can you find affordable luxury accommodations in these destinations? Well, there are many websites and apps that offer discounts on luxury accommodations, such as Agoda, Expedia, and Booking.com. You can also find deals on luxury travel packages that include flights, accommodations, and activities. Luxury travel hacks. Now that you know some affordable luxury destinations, let's talk about some luxury travel hacks that can help you save even more money. First, try to travel during the off-season. This can help you save money on flights, accommodations, and activities. Second, consider booking a package deal. Many travel websites offer packages that include flights, accommodations, and activities, which can save you money in the long run. Third, consider booking a room with a kitchenette. This can help you save money on food and drinks, as you can cook your own meals instead of eating out all the time. Luxury experiences on a budget. Local spas. One of the best ways to relax and unwind on vacation is by indulging in a spa treatment. But spa treatments at luxury resorts can be incredibly expensive, often costing hundreds of dollars. However, many luxury destinations offer affordable spa treatments that won't break the bank. For example, in Bali, Indonesia, you can find luxurious spas offering massages, facials, and body treatments for as little as $20 to $30. In Thailand, you can enjoy a traditional Thai massage for around $30 to $40. And in Mexico, you can indulge in a beachfront massage for around $50. By choosing to indulge in a spa treatment in a luxury destination, you can have the same luxurious experience at a fraction of the cost. Plus, you'll be able to enjoy the stunning surroundings and relax in a beautiful setting. Fine dining restaurants. Another luxury experience you can enjoy on a budget is dining at fine dining restaurants. Many luxury destinations offer affordable fine dining experiences that are sure to impress. You can enjoy a gourmet meal and a glass of wine for as little as $50 a person. For example, in Las Vegas, you can dine at celebrity chef restaurants such as Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen or Wolfgang's Spago for around $50 to $60 a person. In New York City, you can enjoy a Prix Fixe lunch at Michelin-starred restaurants such as Jean Georges or Lou Bernardin for around $50 to $60 a person. By choosing to dine at a fine dining restaurant in a luxury destination, you can experience the same level of service and quality of food as you would at a more expensive restaurant, but a fraction of the cost. Cultural activities. Finally, consider indulging in cultural activities. Many luxury destinations offer affordable cultural experiences that can give you a unique insight into the local culture. By immersing yourself in the local culture, you'll be able to experience the destination on a deeper level and create memories that will last a lifetime. For example, in Mexico, you can take a cooking class to learn how to make traditional Mexican dishes such as guacamole, salsa, and mole. In Thailand, you can learn how to make traditional Thai dishes such as pad Thai or green curry. And in Bali, you can take a Balinese dance class to learn about the traditional music and dance of the island. By choosing to participate in cultural activities, you'll be able to learn about the history and traditions of the destination and gain a deeper appreciation for the local culture. So there you have it, our tips for traveling in style without breaking the bank. By choosing affordable luxury destinations, using travel hacks to save money, and enjoying luxury experiences on a budget, you can have the luxury travel experience you've always wanted without overspending. Remember, luxury travel doesn't have to be expensive. With a little bit of research and planning, you can experience the best of luxury travel without breaking the bank. We hope this video has been helpful, and be sure to check out our channel for more tips on living a luxurious lifestyle. Thanks for watching!